Day 8 is a cleanup day. The goal is to clean and stabilize the completed Task CRUD feature, improve readability, and avoid adding a new feature today. Basic in-memory Task CRUD is now complete. Before adding a user API or database work, the current code should be clean, verified, and documented. By the end of the day, unused starter files should be removed if safe, formatting should be cleaner, naming should be consistent, and the README should still match the API. The main files to check are Tasks Controller, iTask Service, Task Service, the Task DTOs, the Job Task Domain Entity, and README.md. Start by checking the default Class 1 files in Application, Domain, and Infrastructure. If they only contain empty starter classes and are unused, delete them. Review the Tasks Controller. Check that roots are correct, method names are clear, variable names are readable, and each endpoint returns the correct status code. Review Task Service next. Check for unused using statements, private field naming, method names matching the interface, and consistent validation logic. Review the DTOs and the job task entity. Keep only needed properties, preserve clear names, and make sure created at UTC uses UTC. Verification is required. Run .NET Build, run the API project, test all CRUD endpoints in Swagger, and check Git status. After cleanup, stop. Do not add user API today, do not add SQL Server, do not add FCore, and do not redesign the architecture.